see this very, very often. A lot of times folks will say, oh, medical don't matter on the credit report. It does matter. Let me tell you how it works. Whenever you have a medical collection on your credit report that has just hit recently, and when I say recently, I mean within the last 2 to 3 years, you always want to look at the area that says, and I'm going to kind of tell you a lot about this because it affects a lot of folks. You're going to look at the area that says DLA. It's going to be in capital letters. That's your date of last activity. And so on that medical collection item, if that DLA is within about 3 years, that is strongly affecting your credit score in a major way, especially if it has just hit. And what tends to happen is that while you're working on your credit, trying to get your credit straight, and you start to pay off negative items and work on your credit report, a lot of those old medical bills will start to hit your credit report. So yes, this affects your credit in a major way, and your score. The other thing is that, folks will always ask a lot of times, well, how long is this going to stay on my credit report? The same thing. It's called the statute of limitations, and those are the credit laws. So in the collections, on that collection item, the same thing, the DLA, and you count 7 years forward. In other words, if you have one, say, from 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17, in that year or what have you, it's going to purge or come off of your credit report. So collection items that are medical definitely affects the credit report, credit score. Also, a lot of times folks want to know, what is this item? Where is it from? And they'll ask us at Pelican State. We don't pull the consumer version credit report, so because of HIPAA privacy, we're limited as to the information that we will have. We'll work on getting those items paid off, taken care of, and then we'll work on deletions. Let me tell you about deletions. Everybody, when they pay an item in full, everyone wants the items deleted. Anybody been affected by that here?
Yes.
I feel like I paid it off, so it should be deleted. Well, a deletion is not done as a law. It's done as a courtesy. So it's to the discretion of the collection agencies if they'll delete it from your credit report. But they do have to show zero balance and paid on the credit report, and it will help your score. Okay, so medical collections do matter. So those are things you want to take care of. My cards are here. See me afterward. I can help you. A lot of times I have clients that come to me that literally just need to pay a few doctor bills and pay the credit cards down. And you're that close to being able to purchase a home. So definitely see someone like myself.